Hey folks, I want to bring you along and show you what we're getting ready to do on our chicken coop build. Now, I realize I haven't made any videos while we've been doing this. We've had someone helping us who was extremely camera shy, and out of respect for privacy, I did no videos. So I hope you understand that. But now we're to the point where we have the inside of the coop. Go ahead and show that. Okay, we have our laying boxes on the right. And we have our roost bars on the left. Okay, the floor of the coop is a shower board and it's really slick. So we're hoping that that's going to help with the clean out of the poop later on. And I'm going to get Jackson to go inside. Go ahead and climb inside there, buddy. Okay, the ramp hold. Yay. Okay. I have a bag of pine shavings. Jackson, what I need you to do is get some of this and throw it on the floor. Everywhere. All over the floor. Okay, you can take this on back in the back. You need to put a good amount on there, okay? Spread it out everywhere. Okay, in theory, this right here is going to help soak up the poop and make it easier to come out. Whether it will, whether it won't, you know, I honestly don't know. This is the first time I've ever had a chicken coop like this. So, I don't know. They may get in there, scratch it around, and lay eggs in it. I have no idea. Hopefully they'll use those really nice nest box that we designed and had built. But for now, Jackson is going to cover the floor with the pine shavings. We need to put some hay in the nest boxes and make a soft spot for the chicks to lay. So Jackson is going to help me. We're going to build a nest. Do you have any idea how we're going to build a nest?
Like a regular bird builds its nest?
Yeah.
Yay!
So
that's going to be easy. Circle.
Okay, so get some hay. Here, you can use this hay. Okay, can you put it over in the nest box? Can you see in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's some more. I've already got you some out.
I made me a little square nest.
Okay, do you need that to go in it?
I just need some part.
Okay, make a little hole down in there. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to let you do this one without any help, okay? So go ahead and do that one. Okay, do you want to tell me what you're going to... Hey, come here, Jackson. Stand right here. You can tell me what you want to do?
I'm going to build a nest for the chickens so they can lay an egg. In it.
Are you done?
Yep.
Okay.
Bye. See you next time. What about the other ones?
Alright, folks. As you can see, Jackson built chicken nest for the eggs.
Yep.
So,
The eggs need to be closer.
yeah.